Hi everyone, welcome to Scimath Academy, and we are gonna focus on how to divide decimals by decimal. If you know about the division of decimals by decimal, then congratulations. But if you don't know about the division of decimals by decimal, then don't worry. In this video, you will learn the step-by-step process. So we will take some example with solve them. But there are certain rules that you have to follow. The first rule is to convert the decimal number into whole number, right? For example, 2.4 divided by 0.3, right? So our first rule is to convert this decimal number into whole number. So we can write is 2.4 divided by 0.3, right? So we will multiply these two number by 10, right? So we can write is 2.4 multiplied by 10 is 24, right? And 0.3 is 3, right? So we can easily divide 24 by 3, which is equal to 8. So 2.4 divided by 0.3 is equal to 8. Now we will take another example, 0.75 divided by 0.05, right? So again, 0.75 divided by 0.05 is equal to 0.75 multiplied by 100 divided by 0.05 multiplied by 100. Right, we multiply these two number by 100 because in the numerator there are two digits after the decimal point, and in the denominator there are also two digits after the decimal point. So we multiply these two number by 100, right? 0.75 multiplied by 100 is equal to 75, right? And 0.05 multiplied by 100 is equal to 5. So 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 times 15 is 75. Alright, so the answer is 15. So we can say that 0.75 divided by 0.05 is equal to 15. That is the final answer. So dear viewer, try to pause the video and solve the question 6.4 divided by 0.8 and write the answer of this question in the comment section. We'll take some another example, 4.56 divided by 0.12. Alright, so again it is very easy, or we can write it is 4.56 divided by 0.12. Alright, so again 4.56 divided by 0.12. Here we see that there are two digits after the decimal point and the numerator, and there are two digits and the denominator after the decimal point. We will multiply the numerator and the denominator by 100. 4.56 divided by 0.12 multiplied by 100 divided by 100. Right, so when we multiply 4.56 by 100, we get the answer as 456 divided by 0.12 multiplied by 100 is equal to 12. Right, now we can easily divide 456 by 12. Right, so 456 divided by 12. 12 times 3 is 36. Subtract 36 from 45. The answer is 9. Bring down the 6 near 9, right, which make it 96. Now how many times does 12 goes into 96? So 8 times 12 is 96. Right, subtract the 96 from the 96, the remainder is 0. We can say that 4.56 divided by 0.12 is equal to 38. Right. Now dear viewer, I'm gonna solve another example, 3.06 divided by 1.2, right? Or we can say that 3.06 divided by 1.2, right? So first of all, we will convert these decimals into whole numbers. So 3.06 divided by 1.2 is equal to 3.06 divided by 1.2 multiplied by 100 and divided by 100. To multiply 3.06 by 100, we get 306, and to multiply 1.2 by 100, we will get 120. Now we can easily divide 306 by 120. Right, so 306 divided by 120. So 2 times 0 is 0, and 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2. right? Subtract the 240 from 306, but we will get 66 as a remainder. Now we can say that 66 cannot be directly divided by 120, so we'll put the decimal point in the quotient after 2, right? And we will put the decimal after the dividend, put 0 in the dividend and bring down it near 66 to make it 660. How many times does 120 goes into 660? So 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 2 is 10, write 0, carry 1. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Subtract 600 from 660. The remainder is 60, right? So we will put 0 and the dividend and bring down it near 60 to make it 600, right? So how many times does 120 goes into 600? So 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 2 is 10, put 0 and carry 1, right? 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Subtract the 600 from 600, the remainder is 0. So we can say that 3.06 divided by 1.2 is equal to 2.55. Dear viewer, I'm going to solve another example. 0.008 divided by 0.02, right? So we can say that 0.008 divided by 0.02. Multiply these two numbers by 100. So 0.008 multiplied by 100 divided by 0.02 multiplied by 100, right? 2.8 divided by 2, or we can say that 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8, right? So answer will be 0.4, or 0.008 divided by 0.02 is equal to 0.4. That is the final answer. So dear viewer, if you have liked the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting videos related to mathematics.